Guys, reader nito siya ng book, guys.
Basa ko kay.
Ahambot, asa na ni nga page? One page pa siguro ni
Uy,
Harry
uy,
Potter.
bantin ako.
Be careful na.
Hi guys! For today's video, we will be doing something else. What I usually do is I am vlogging, but today we will be doing unboxing and review of this item inside a box. So by the way, this box was sent to me. Oh my goodness! Ang tagal na guys. It's been, I think, 3 weeks na. I did not open this box because lately we've been so busy. I'm so sorry, Ma'am Juris, if hindi ko siya nabuksan agad-agad. But yeah, I did promise to her that I have to like make a video about this one and like do it this week. And by the way, Bell is not here because he went to Las Vegas for an event, karate event, so he needs to be there, but he will be gone for like 2 days lang. He will be back tomorrow. Let's open this box. What's inside are items from Google. For those people who did not know that Google has merchandise, Ma'am Juris just gave me a little detail about this one. So guys, I will just say it at the beginning that if you have social media, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, please follow Ma'am Juris on her social media platform. She had Facebook, she had Instagram, and she had YouTube. Can I borrow a gunting? Again, ay. Thank you so much, Ma'am Juris, for sending this to me. I know you had so many things that you already sent me. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. Let's open this one. Agay, nakahilas magugugay. Sanawara ko niya akong mga kabuang. I just woke up this morning. I was like, I had a dress on the closet. Let me try that one. Wear it. Because I haven't wear this dress right now that I'm wearing. Because saan naman ako papunta? We're not attending any birthdays or any parties. Yeah, maybe this one day I'll be wearing this somewhere. But sinuot ko lang siya kay magpa-feeling ano daw ko America. Magpa-feeling America. Nagpa-feeling ko nga ako America ba? Feeling lang. Hi, I'm so excited to know what's inside. Ala, wow, very nice. Super secured. Naka-box. Bakit dalawang box? Oh my gosh. So what's inside of this box? We have this. Unahin natin itong naka-box din na maliit. This one. I have no idea what this is, but let me see. Ay, very cute. Hello, mug. Look how cute.
Yeah.
Oh wow! This is so fancy! Tingnan niyo yung mug niyo, guys. Look. Kita niyo ba? Zoom ko lang. It has a detail like Google Cloud. Wow! Ka-nice ba? Ni gamiton like having coffee in the morning and look at your mug. Super fancy and it's made of... Ano bang tawag nito? Yung kulay niya, guys. The color. Oh my gosh. Very neutral white. And then, may pagka-beige. Yung sa baba. Super nice. I like this one. See? Kita niyo yan? Perfect talaga siya sa akin. Isang mug. And then, another one. Parang mug din siguro to. May dito si Belle na, uy, pangkapo. Think si wow! Oh, tama ka nga, babe. YouTube na mug. Ay, hala ka, nice. Ani, uy. Super fancy. Wow. You know what? If I'm going, when we go for another trip na dalpo na ko, this is so nice. See? And then, having coffee ba? In a coffee shop. Dala yung mug. Kasi, lagay mo lang yung coffee. Yung YouTube. Ito, malaki. And then, may YouTube logo. Tas black siya, and then this one maliit. Para sa akin, para kay Belle. Wow, perfect eh. Super secure. Tingnan nyo naman yan. Oh, yung plastic na sa gilid-gilid. Thank you so much, Ma'am Juris. You're always so kind. Thank you so much. Not just to me, but to everybody. Actually, I'm not the only person. She sent me things. She has so many people na napasaya. And this one is a... How do you call this one, girls? Tumbler? Yeah, tumbler. Ow. Ay, very cute naman ito. I like this so much. Tumbler, Google. Tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo, guys. Look how nice. Diba? Super pretty. I think you can put like hot water and cold water. Kasi parang, ano siya, thermos ba? Yes, it's a thermos. Ma'am Juris. You just don't know how it makes me so happy with this. Because we have errands. Bill and I, we go somewhere else and it's too early. I just have to put my coffee. I think I can add coffee on this. Okay, oh. Yeah, I can add coffee. Super. Wow. Just, pakita ko sa inyo. Tingnan nyo naman to guys, kung gaano kaganda yung tumbler niya. Pwede na nga to pang thermos talaga. Hand wash recommend. Yes. Yan guys. Look! Super fancy ng ating tumbler. And then, it's matte black. Yung ano niya. Perfect. And then, my handle. Each to go. My handle, oh. Like, you can just go run. You can just go jog. And bring water with you while you're doing jogging or anywhere you go to the gym. I think this one is really for anything. Like, I mean, like you go to school, you go somewhere, anywhere, and you need coffee, you need water. This is really perfect for you guys. 750 ml yung malalagay sa tumbler na to, which is perfect talaga siya. I really love this one. And what else do we have here? Hello, OMG! A Google shirt! Look, guys, do you know that Mom Jury is giving you a Google shirt too? Yes, she gave you some Google shirt. That's what she says to me. Thank you very much. Kaon sila. They're eating breakfast. Thank you. They're eating breakfast. Nakakaway sila, guys. Anyway, yes. A shirt from Google. Wow! By the way, they call this WAG. I know in like normal people like us, we call it a shirt, but they have their own version or their own, like they call this a swag shirt, something like that. Look how nice. Alam, gamay siya ni Ashley. But this is really nice. Look. Ala, ka-nice ba? Yung Google, extra small. Yung extra small size nila is, actually, for me, it doesn't fit to Ashley na. Maliit siya, guys. I think it fits to a 5-year-old kid. This is so very nice. You know what? We're gonna wear this somewhere, like together. Kami lahat, magmamatch kami. Kasi meron din ako, meron kay Belle. I'm not really sure if this gonna fit to Belle. Parang small size yung kanilang, Google swag shirt. But, yeah, this is for Nicole, I think. Yeah. Yay! Same! Google! Very cute naman ito. I'm gonna wear this. I'm telling you, Mom Juris, I'm gonna wear this. Kids and I. If Belle don't like to wear it, I don't, hindi ko siya mapipilit. It's so nice because this really, the fabric ba, it's perfect for summer because it's not that nipis, but it's not that thick also. So, I can wear this now. Here you go. So fit to me. Wala kay Totoy. It's very fit. I like it. Like, yeah, sobrang siya. Maganda nga siya sa summer. This is mine. You want to wear yours? Here's yours. Swag shirt. It's all black, which is good kasi favorite ni Belle yung black na color eh. Well, he's into blue but he wear blacks most of the time. Ito naman kay Belle. I'm not really sure if this is gonna fit him, but let's see. I think, yeah, it's gonna fit him. Perfect. Thank you so much, Mom Jury. It's perfect yung size na
Oversize.
It's not oversized, it's for Daddy. Thank you so much for the swag shirt. Still have another item here from Google. Ooh. Look. Google tote bag. I call this tote bag, but I don't know how you call this one. This bag is earth-friendly, made with recycled cotton. Perfect siya nga pag nagta-travel din. Like, if you don't like to bring any fancy bags with you. Because this one looks so amazing. It's so nice. Allah. Yeah, I've been eyeing for like a tote bag because I really wanted to go, like for example, we always go to the grocery store and most my bags here, like meron akong bag na malaki that I got from Davao. When I was in Davao, had my interview in Cebu, Anna and I went to SM. Bumili ako ng handbag. Malaki-laki siya, but I don't like taking it with me in a grocery store kasi fancy naman masyado. And then yung binigay ni Ma'am Abby, it's like I always use it for church when we go to the church. And sometimes I use it when I go to the grocery store. Pero again, fancy nga siya, tingnan guys. This one is perfect. I think this is multi anywhere. Like, not, well, you go to the store, you go to, grocery, or you travel with this bag because you can actually put a lot of things inside. Look how, it's not really that small and it's not that big also. Like, just imagine the size like this. You can put a lot of things here. You can put your phone, cameras, sunscreen, every essentials you need on the trip. You can actually put it inside this tote bag. And I like it because, you know, like isang dalaan lang ba? Like if you go anywhere, like isang ganyan lang and then go. Alam mo, jewelry is perfect kay Kagyato. Thank you very much for all of these items that you sent to me, and I do really appreciate so much. And by the way, those people who are interested to get items like this, if you guys really wanted, because this one is perfect. So you guys, if you are interested to get all of these things, this product is available in Google, but you can get it in a discounted price if you are really interested to get this one. So if you're interested, please go to her social media platform, because she's going to post a link where you can get this item in a discounted price. I can't wait to use it. When Belle is back from Las Vegas, I'm gonna bring this out. This tote bag, I love this one.